This is the Unitree G1 humanoid robot. Standing at approximately 4.3 feet tall and weighing around 77 pounds, the G1 has a sleek aluminum alloy frame, balancing strength and agility. With up to 43 degrees of freedom, including advanced joint configurations, it achieves human-like flexibility and precision. It's designed to fold up neatly, making transporting easier. Take a look as it puts an item in a box, then it puts the lid back on. Next you can see it performing tasks, putting things away in a container. I wonder how many blocks it can stack without them falling. But one thing I've never seen is a robot twist the cap off a bottle, then perfectly pour water in a glass, and even opening a bottle to pour a glass of water. These aren't just gimmicks. The G1 is designed to learn through imitation. The Unitree G1 humanoid robot maintains balance through a combination of advanced sensors, real-time feedback algorithms, and dynamic stabilization. It uses gyroscopes, accelerometers, and 3D LiDAR to detect shifts in position and external forces. When hit, its control system instantly calculates corrective movements, adjusting its posture and joint positions to redistribute weight and regain stability. This process mimics human reflexes, allowing the robot to stay upright or quickly recover from falls. Okay, what's it about to do now? This is an interesting way to crack walnuts, but you have to cut it some slack. It's just learning. I just hope it cleans up the mess. I must say, this isn't the most civilized way to open a bottle, but it gets the job done. The G1 demonstrates precision tasks that require a steady hand. It's astonishing to see this level of control in robotics. Need a workout buddy? The G1 has you covered with dynamic routines that improve range of motion and physical agility. Move your hips, wave your arms, and have some fun while getting into shape alongside this futuristic fitness partner. The G1 isn't just stable, it's agile too. Look at these jumping skills. It looks amazing because a lot of us haven't seen anything like this before. Equipped with an 8-core high-performance CPU, the G1 processes complex tasks efficiently, supporting advanced functionalities. Look how it effortlessly maneuvers these stairs loaded with obstacles. Integrated 3D LiDAR and depth cameras provide panoramic scanning, enabling precise environmental awareness and navigation. This looks so strange, seeing a robot just walking around in the streets, navigating city environments almost like it's sightseeing. Take a look at how smoothly it's running on the railroad tracks. This is really impressive. I guess he's getting off the tracks now. Now let's take a second to appreciate seeing this robot running up a hill. Pretty impressive. This robot is designed to adapt and thrive in diverse terrains. Here it is taking to the streets, navigating city environments, railroad tracks, uneven stone paths, and even hills. Capable of reaching speeds up to approximately 4.5 miles per hour, it is designed to adapt and thrive in diverse terrains. And this is just the beginning. Imagine where this technology is headed. More adaptability, more intelligence, and more integration into our daily lives. The evolution of robots is inevitable, and we're witnessing history in the making.